App working demonstration. So in this section, I'll demonstrate the app's UI, the functionality and core features. I begin by opening the code file that's shoppingcart.java in my IDE and running the program. To run it, I use the Shift plus F11 shortcut on the Run option under the Tools menu. Once the program runs, the output appears in the console window. I start by selecting option 1 from the menu to display the stored products. These products are hard-coded and defined in the products.java file. The output shows a list of items, each with a product ID, name, price, and stock availability. To choose a product, you enter its corresponding product ID. For example, when I enter 1, the app selects shampoo. A summary of the chosen product, including its details and stock information, is displayed. The app then prompts you to choose an action. So that's like add the item to the cart, remove the item from the cart, return to the main menu. I select option 1 to add the item to the cart and enter a quantity of 5. The app confirms the addition and shows that I now have 1 item in my cart. Next, I add more items to the cart. I choose rice, that's product ID 4, and add 5 units. Then I attempt to add smartphone, that's product ID 8, with a quantity exceeding its stock 22 units when only 5 are available, so the app correctly displays an error that says invalid quantity. Quantity must be between 0 and the available stock. After resolving this, I check the cart by selecting option 2. The cart displays the items, shampoo, rice, and smartphone. Notably, it includes a smartphone entry with 0 quantity due to a project requirement allowing users to adjust item quantities within the cart. Next, I demonstrate option 3, which calculates and displays the total cost of the items in the cart. For this example, the total is $1,200.12. Finally, I select option 5 to check out. The app asks for a state, that's example California or New York, to calculate tax rates, and for the shipping type, that's standard or next day. After entering these details, the app generates a final bill with the total taxes and shipping costs. I then show that the cart's empty after checkout, completing this demonstration. Part 2 is the JUnit testing demonstration. This section focuses on the JUnit testing for the project. The primary file tested is cart.java, which contains key methods such as adding items to the cart, removing items, updating quantities, and calculating totals. These methods are tested using the cart.test.java file, leveraging the JUnit testing framework. JUnit testing involves creating test methods that validate the expected functionality of cart.java. For instance, the test add product to cart method ensures the add product to cart function correctly adds items to the cart. The test remove product from cart method checks that among an item works as expected. Similarly, other tests validate updating item quantities, calculating totals, clearing the cart, and retrieving the item count. The cart.java files begins with helper methods such as setup class and teardown class, which prepare and clean up resources. It then defines individual tests using assertions like assert equals to compare actual output with expected results. And during the demonstration, I show that all 6 tests pass successfully. This confirms the reliability and correctness of the cart.java implementation.